and welcome to another Paint With Me. Well, I guess this is my first Paint With Me, and today we are using gouache. Gouache, yay, I guess. So, I decided to do just a really quick painting today, mainly because I just wanted to pull out my gouaches again. It has been a couple years since I have done so. I haven't used gouache probably in like 3 years, which was my first year of college, and we had to buy gouache for my design class. And I remember really liking gouache back then, and I just wanted to pull it out and play with it again and see if I still remembered how to use it. And spoiler, I don't. I remember always liking gouache, and all my classmates, they all hated it, and I never really understood why, because I always thought it was really awesome because you could make it opaque or you could water it down with water and it would be like a watercolor, which, I mean, you get like a 2-for-1, which is awesome. So basically this little drawing is like a study, I guess. I used a reference photo from Key from Shiny's Instagram. Here, I'll insert it here. And I just used that as just a quick little reference for this, and I mainly used it because I love the colors. I'm always so scared of color. Every time I draw or do anything, I use these muted colors, grays, muted reds, muted blues, everything. And I wanted to just say screw it and just use all the bright colors I had, and I barely mixed any of the colors, honestly. I only mixed gray and brown, and all the other ones are straight out of the tube, which could be a bad thing, I don't really know. I really enjoyed it. I need to just accept that I really like colors and I love primary colors. Primary colors now is probably one of my favorite color palettes, and I would have never said that like a year ago, so I'm really excited about that. But I would say that I definitely need to practice with gouache more, because I find it really hard to blend. If you notice in this painting, I literally just lay down flat colors and then I'll do what is it called? I do a line art. I do line art over it. Why couldn't I think of that? When I would try to blend, it would just reactivate the layers underneath it. And I need to like practice on how to work it. And I noticed that some of the colors had different consistencies. Like as you can see in the blue on the jacket, you can see the white through. I didn't put enough layers, I guess, but like the blue was so much thinner and wetter than all the other colors. Like the yellow was so thick. Oh my gosh, I couldn't even get it out of the tube. It was so thick. It might be because these are years old. Like these are pretty old paints, but I mean, they worked. So I debated for a while if I should do line art for this, because I'm pretty sure gouache is a really good medium to just do a lineless style, but I just didn't think it was working without it. So I ended up using a dark blue color instead of a black, because I didn't want to dull down any of these bright colors I had going on. And I used that dark blue to line the whole thing. I'm used to lining with fine liners or like, pins, but lining with a paintbrush is so hard. It's so much harder to control. So it took a while to get used to, but once I got used to it, it was a little bit easier. And I actually really enjoyed that rough, like wavy, messy edge that the brush gave. So all in all, I really enjoyed working on this piece, and it only took me in total, it took me 30 minutes to sketch it out, and then an hour, a little bit over an hour to paint. It was nothing, and it was a lot of fun. And I really think I want to pull out these gouaches more and really practice with it, buy more colors, and see what I can do with it, and see if it's a new medium that I would like, because I don't think I have a medium that I call my go-to. Anyway, thank you for clicking on this video, and I'm definitely going to upload more little paint with me's, draw with me's, sketch with me's. And thanks so much for checking it out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!